In this video, I will show you how to enable instant notification for account for a specific account you follow on Instagram. Open up your Instagram app. Click on the profile icon. Click on this three slider. Click on notifications. Scroll down right here. Click on from account you follow. All the account you follow is going to be found right here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and select a specific account that you want to turn on notification for. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use an account as an example. So I'm going to use this account as an example. For that, what you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on this bell icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up post, then switch all. Just like so. Click on the bell icon again, story, all. Click on the bell icon again, reels, all. Click on the bell icon again. If you want to have a notification for their live video, click on here and all. There you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.